These old paper speakers are my favorite because over time they disintegrate, and basically even though they get damaged, they still play the music and they give a new flavor to the music in a bad way, but still they just keep on working no matter what condition they are in. So basically what I'm thinking of doing is I'm going to take one of these paper speakers and I'm going to do a control test, right? I'm going to connect the amplifier, play the music, see how it sounds. Then I'm going to do something I really hate, and that is I'm going to destroy the speaker and then test it to see if it still plays the music. How well does it perform? Then I'm going to try to modify the speaker to see if you have these paper speakers, can you save them or do you have to just throw them away? So let's do the experiment. I'm going to be creating a new cone known as a diaphragm using foam. I'm going to be cutting the foam piece the same size as the speaker. Then I'm going to be joining the speaker coil to the piece of foam, and then we get to see if it performs well. So basically, since the dust cap is already there, all I have to do is just add layers of foam to build a bit of height, and then I can hot glue the big piece of foam, which is our replacement diaphragm. I'm not going to be adding a speaker suspension. A speaker suspension is that like a ring that surrounds a speaker and holds the diaphragm in place. So let's test it to see how it performs. Added tape to see how it performs, and as you can see that yeah, it went downhill when I added tape. At this point, it shows the importance of that suspension ring that goes around the speaker, because as you can see, the whole coil got damaged because there was nothing supporting all that weight. You see, the speaker was leaning unevenly and then boom, it got damaged. So yeah, as you can see, all the parts on a speaker are very important. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video.